Let's discuss the four-step process for decision making summarized by the acronym RAP by Chip and Dan Heath in their book called Decisive: How to Make Better Decisions in Life and Work. In the RAP process, W stands for Widen Your Options, R stands for Reality Test Your Assumptions, A stands for Attain Distance Before Deciding, and P is for Prepare to be Wrong. Let's take a look at what do you mean by widen your options. Widen your option means avoid narrow framing and consider multiple alternatives. Instead of choosing between A or B, explore A, B, and C, or even more possibilities. For instance, instead of choosing between two job offers, considering freelancing as a third option, or even taking a sabbatical to explore passions. Reality test your assumption. Always seek out external perspectives and actively test your beliefs. This includes running small experiments to validate or challenge your assumptions before making big decisions. For instance, when considering buying a house, don't just rely on the agent's word. Visit at different times of day, talk to neighbors, and get an independent inspection. Attain distance before deciding. Always gain perspective by imagining how you'll feel about your decision in the future or how an outsider might view the situation. This helps in reducing emotional biases. If deciding on a major purchase like a car, imagine how you'll feel about it in 5 years. Will you still be happy with the decision? Prepare to be wrong. You can set up tripwires or checkpoints to reassess decisions as new information comes to light. Acknowledge that being wrong is part of the decision making process and plan for course correction. For example, you can set up checkpoints after starting a new business. If revenue doesn't meet projections within a year, reassess the strategy. Finally, good decisions are about planning and thinking, not just avoiding mistakes. Thanks for watching.